All right, so this is a very, very quick video. Just finishing off example 5a, because a lot of people left with the mouth agape. They're like, what just happened here? So let's look at the question. And the question is simply asking you for the derivative given the natural log of x divided by 2x plus 5. And so I'm going to start with the same process where t of b, or t of x, I should say, is equal to the natural log of x, and its derivative is simply equal to 1 over x. The b of x is obviously the 2x plus 5, and its first derivative is simply 2. So opposite the product rule, we're actually multiplying this way first, and then this way. And remember, this is subtraction. So this will be 2x plus 5, basically times 1 over x, minus, and the cross product of 2 natural log x. And all of this is over the denominator squared, so 2x plus 5 squared. All right, fine. If we multiply this out, and I'm focused just on the top part of this equation, right here is all I care about right now. I really have 2x plus 5 over x by multiplying over here, all of that. And this is, I'm sorry, I miswrote that. And then minus 2 natural log x, technically over 1. So what I have to do to make a common denominator is multiply top and bottom by x. And that's what I was trying to explain as we were in class. And when you do that, remember this is still over 2x plus 5 squared. So I'm not going to skip any steps. You end up with, in this case, with 2x plus 5 minus 2x natural log x all over x. This green x that you see here, this one is what this is. This guy is simply now part of this denominator. This is still over 2x plus 5 squared, but technically over 1. So if you remember, when you do fractions, I don't care what the fraction is, if you have a over b divided by c over d, the rule of thumb is you keep a over b, you change to multiplication instead of division, and then you flip the fraction. So in our case, we're going to keep 2x plus 5 minus 2x natural log x over x. We're going to multiply that against 1 over 2x plus 5 squared. If you notice, your final answer is what we obtained in class, which is 2x plus 5 minus 2x natural log x over x times 2x plus 5 squared. And that's why we call it dropping the x down, in the sense. That's our final answer, and that is the first derivative of what we just solved. Okay, I'll leave the recording here, and that was just a hot spot for us today that you guys wanted to talk about, so there you are.